Bienvenidos muses, regresé con otro video. Es tu favorita morenita y regresé con un nuevo video. Today's video, I have a few things that I want to like get into. I was just really looking through Instagram and just trying to get inspired because I don't know, are we talking about maquillaje these days? But I feel like I don't want to lose the thing that brought me here. And I know a lot of times people are like, we want to just, see a little bit of everything. So I'm definitely hitting the mood. I'm hitting the drawing board to kind of just like see where I want to see myself or where I want to take this channel in the next year or so, because the possibilities are endless now that I am in my own little space. I got my own little corner. Today's video, I have some products that I want to really try to play with. If you guys are excited to get glam con tu chica, don't go anywhere. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, y vamos a comenzar. We're gonna start off with the Benefit, the Pore Professional Pore Minimizer, the Pore Primer. This one right here. I'm gonna try this one. Don't we love when we get a zit like right like in el medio de la frente? Oh, this feels nice. Okay. Okay. So there's like a thin layer around the face that feels really, really nice. I do not hate how that feels at all. It's so weird because I don't have to do lashes today. This is my, I don't really wear extensions, but today we are. For my face, I'm gonna go back in with the new Huda, and this is the Faux Filter Luminous Matte. I used it in my previous video and I was just really impressed. Look how thick that is. I love it. Okay. And I'm just gonna pat. All right, moving on next, I have these new Kevyn Aucoin, and this is the Kevyn Aucoin True Feather Brow Marker. And then we have two shades. We have Dark Brunette and Brunette. Let's see what Dark Brunette looks like. Oh, wow, look how big. This is a True Feather Brow Gel Duo. I'm just gonna like brush these up. I don't know why I never really reach for pens like these like markers, but they're like so much easier because you can just like look at where your brows need a little bit more TLC. And you could just make these brows thicker. You can tell, like, look, this is with the Kevyn Aucoin True Feather Brow Marker Gel Duo, and then this one is in the shade Dark Brunette. And it comes with this. Hold on. Oh. Oh. That looks good. Okay, let's go to the other eye. Just the other brow. Oh, I like. She's feathered. Oh yeah, she is definitely feathered. Okay, let's go in. And then once we clean her, it's gonna look so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be, I'm gonna keep this one close. I like it. I'm gonna lock it in. I'm not sure what goes first or last, but I'm just gonna assume do this last to lock it in. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer, and I'm gonna take the one that's closest to my shade. I'm gonna clean these up. Like they are feathered. Okay, so we're gonna move on to my eyes. There was this stack I wanted to try today. Melt came out with this eyeshadow stack of like neutral browns. Mira eso. Look at how cool these look. Yeah, no, I love a stack. Look how pretty. Like, these are all so pretty. Yeah. I know I did a soft matte look in my other one, but I saw this and I was just like, are we doing a soft matte moment? Maybe I could do like a brown smoky? Maybe? I don't know. I just saw it and I was like, I have to do it. I have to use this because... So I'm going to go in first with the neutral browns, and I'm going to take this and I'm just going to go in right here. So, look at that. Melt Cosmetics. These are like things that you could travel with. I love it. Love, love, love. I'm just gonna go all the way around. First of all, Monica, get a new brush. This one's so good though. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Then I'm just gonna take a concealer. Take a little Tarte, and I'm just gonna pop it right there. Y yo vi un color aquí que quiero tratar. Let's put this one in here. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look. Softening it up. Si hay sol, hay playa. Si hay playa, hay... Si hay playa, si hay sol. ¿Cómo es? Alright. I'm just gonna take concealer and I'm just going to clean up under my eyes. Si hay sol, hay playa. So I'm just gonna place it here. And we are gonna also place here. Yes. Oh, and I went in with the Tarte, and this is Tan Deep Sand. I'm also gonna go here. Then I'm gonna go in with Makeup Forever, and this is the Matte Velvet Skin Concealer, and I'm taking 5.5. This one's a little bit warmer, as you can see. Está un poquito más, she's a little bit more red, but she's gonna bronze the face like nobody's business. Okay, here we go. And I'm just going to go here. contigo mejor. I definitely think I want to brighten more. Abajo los ojos. And I'm just gonna go in and blend the rest of the face with the Mel Cosmetics brush. It's one of my favorites. First of all, these brows. Excuse me. I need more concealer. I'll be right back. I'm gonna take 4.4 and I'm gonna use this right in here. I'm just gonna go straight on because and I'm just gonna take this setting brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to set it right under the eye. This is obviously a natural look for sure. Like, no one's gonna know you have makeup on. Nope. I'm gonna take this color out here for the nose. Yes. We are chiseled. We are chiseled. Okay. And I'm just gonna go back in. And it's just about blending, honestly. That's just the game we're playing here. It's called the blending game. Gorgeous. It get the look so far so great. Okay, for my powder, I have been constantly reaching for my Mercier Translucent in Honey. So I'm just gonna take, and I've been loving using this. So I'm just gonna go in. I'm just gonna You see that flame? That's how I feel. All right, mi gente. I'm gonna go back in with my little stack right here. And I'm going to apply it to my waterline. I do think I need like un lineador. We need a liner. Ooh, I just went in with the Mel Cosmetics, and this is the all day, everyday ultra matte eyeliner. And this is in the color 1987. Ooh. First of all, let me just fill this in right here. This look is everything. Moving on to mascara. Let's go in with this Kevyn Aucoin Indecent Mascara. Mascara Indecent Black. That's what it is. I'm gonna do this for my bottom lashes. Me siento como una jefa, okay? Este es un look para mis jefas. So, si tú eres una jefa, este es lo que es para ti. Let's just pat. Look at how honey. Honey? Y'all need to stop sleeping on honey. It is such a good translucent powder for my morenitas. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm just... Okay, we're gonna go in with this gorgeous OPV Born to Shine palette. And I'm gonna take this color right here called Positive. Please don't hit me any mind. Now, we get a little heavy-handed over here with the blush because we know how she be doing. She be doing us dirty. She do. Over it. All right, to brighten, I'm gonna go in with Dermablend, and this is just gonna give me that, I don't know, I'm just gonna use it. I'm just gonna go right here. Yes. It's just like, I've been loving it to just highlight under the eyes. We are chiseled. Jeez. For my lips, Makeup Forever in Limitless Brown. Okay, I'm going in with one of my favorite nudes that I haven't reached for in like forever, and this is Danessa Myricks Color Fix Mattes, and this is in the color Exposed. All right, we are gonna go in and lock in the face using the Pore Professional Super Setter Long Lasting Spray from Benefit. Oh, that feels amazing on the skin. Okay, here's this boss look. Ooh, this looks so pretty, so powerful, so poderosa. Me siento como una jefa. Today's products that I featured were I used the Pore Professional. The Pore Professional, awesome. I really do like how my makeup sat with the foundation. It looked gorgeous. I'm obsessed with the Kevyn Aucoin brow pencil. The True Feather Brow Marker Gel. These right here. El color otra vez que yo usé, the color that I used was dark brunette. And it looks like she's not gonna do much. Sorry if you hear the clicking clacking. My dog is just, you know, when he eats, he just gets like this boost of energia. Guys, really, really, really good. The Melt Cosmetics stacks. These little Melt Cosmetics Neutral Browns Petite eyeshadow stacks. Awesome. These are gonna be so perfect, like just like a statement little colección. You put it in your bag, perfect for traveling. And here, I kept the lip. I'm itching to put a gloss, but Tati told me to leave it like this. Although she always has gloss, she just said it looked fine. Gloss is like, ¿por qué no? ¿Por qué no? But I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. It feels really nice. It feels like a boss look, you know? Like you walk in, you just run it, you know? But here is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. I feel cute. I feel pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Comment down below what you were saying if you was here for today's maquillaje. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Lo veo en mi próximo video. Mwah. Adios.